Hello. Hello. Oh, let me see. Well, of course they will. Oh, you guys. Hi, welcome. So, I didn't even know this was going to be a thing, but here we are. Are you? Why? Because there's more power. So we have the moon right here behind us. The full moon. Full moon is Sagittarius to be exact. Yes. Okay. And then we have this gorgeous soul. Gorgeous. So before I don't want to say I planned it out, but before, I'm gonna sit you guys down. Are you okay with are you okay with this? If I put you here, but it's kind of wet. So maybe I'll just hold you. Hold y'all like this? Okay, I think this is fine. No, I like the angle we have. Okay, I think this is cute because you get to see a bit more. We have the moon behind us, so it's going to energize our back. Oh, I could have brought some crystals, but we don't even need them, okay? Those are just extra conduits if you physically need to see it, but it's happening with or without it, because in the last 3 to 5 weeks, maybe, I don't remember the last time I came out here to watch the sunrise because of where I live. I live where I can see it from my home, so I don't have to come down. But today's Friday, June 13th. Dreams are coming true. And it's so elevated with love and beauty that you can't even be mad about the process, you know. I'm sitting in a very interesting place versus like where most people sit. But I always go there. I've been living here for a year and a half now. Shout out, hi Bacalar vibe. I've been living here for a year and a half now, and I know the spots. I know what it looks like when it's busy. I know what it looks like when it's not. I know where to go. I know where the food is good year round and not like, you know, I know who fell off and came back. And it's like, you know, no judgment. Life is life. We all go through the process. Because even for me, I'm like, I'm tired, you know, but we're working on it. We're healing. Hi, Barbies. Oh, welcome. And Barbies, by the way, I came up with it yesterday, so go watch the video. But it's how we will connect. But here on Life with Lee, I have multiple platforms. Well, I have one platform, multiple brands with their own branches, okay? So this moment is affirmative meditation. It's literally me sitting. Let me bring you the visual. Okay, it's literally me sitting in meditation format, you know. 1 second. Okay, we have our yoga mat out. Usually stretching meditation, you know the layout. So it's more, I don't want to say, it's more visual. Okay, so we're going to do it vertical. Some things are better vertical. That, God, good God Almighty. Couldn't make this up, which is so fascinating to me. Why would you do a cricket? Because some cricket shots might just be the better ones. Oh, I think vertical. So I'm gonna have you guys move in front with the sun, so we get that visual going, and kind of just like switching it up like that. I will. Okay, wait. Don't worry about the feet. We're working on it. But you see, that behind us is elite, and then that in front of us is elite. I am your guide. If you've never seen it before, today is a day of awareness and recognition. Catch it if you can. If you can't, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what more I can say. Okay, so this is affirmative meditation. Welcome. This is where I go deep into breath work, healing, how I'm going through my process, what works, what doesn't work, what helps, what doesn't help, what takes longer processes. So, however you have to join in, a lot of the things that I put out will be paid, but those will be courses in 3 days this, 5 days this, 10 days that. Moments like this, meditation, yoga, they will all have their different forms. So please check it out. I'm building it in real time. So join me wherever you feel it's divine. But this is a divine meeting. So I pray you can receive it in this moment. But I don't know. I'm speaking it as I go. So we're still more relaxed because I want to take this moment in for myself, but I also share it with you guys. And I'm so excited to see how it transpires because it's a new thing, right? I can't remember the last time I did. I do it all the time, but today's a closer glimpse of it. Since you need to see it, so intense. Oh God, speak to me, Lord. Oh yes. And what facet? Literally. Take off. Oh, it is humbling to be alive. It is humbling to be alive. I'm getting emotional. You're laughing, but hey, it's okay. That's life. Everybody's going through their own transitions. I'm getting emotional right now because I've met Takeoff. And he's so young, so sweet, so soul-filled. And right now I keep hearing the spirit say take off, like take off. The moon's right there, full moon behind us. Full, glowing, bright, early morning sun before it gets wet and rainy or whatever the day has. Because we can try to describe what the day will look like, but no one knows what the weather is for the day. The weather's going to change as it pleases. Surprise, it's raining. My point being, I met Takeoff before, and in this moment, I keep hearing the Lord say, take off. I'm like, okay, Takeoff died, God. I don't know, is this good or bad? That's not funny. But, what way do I perceive it? Do I perceive it in a go for it and just take off without fear of what people will say? Without fear, period. Don't even have to describe what people will say. Without fear, this is your sign to take off. Without fear. And that's always going to be there. The aesthetic will always be there. And I'm speaking to you as I speak to myself. We're all one, okay? So if you're here, catch it. If you can't be here because of if you're here, catch it. So I kept hearing Takeoff, and I'm like, okay, I met him before. So I started thinking of his spirit and his energy. Very sweet soul. Very sweet soul. Cute. Short. I'm 5'10", so he was shorter than me. Most people are short, by the way, in comparison. So short, cute. He has little glasses, hair done well. I was like, oh, you cute. You know, like, okay. Mind you, I'm looking like this, though, because I'm 5'10", he's like 5 something. And in this moment, I feel this spirit of joy, and I'm like, wow, Takeoff. And I'm like, ugh, why did I feel like death? Because he did pass. But in passing, your name gets sealed in a spirit of remembrance. And I believe Takeoff's spirit, as I said it, as I've met him, I do believe it's a PowerPoint. It's a powerful moment of remembrance. Because yes, we heard the word Takeoff. You heard it in like launches. You heard it in some way, shape, or form. But when you hear it now, that's the moment. Okay, so we're going to go back to words having meaning. And okay, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. But I do want to receive for myself. Love you guys.